Yamaha announces the 2025 key updates to its flagship YZF-R1 and YZF-R1M Supersport models, aimed at further enhancing aerodynamic performance, handling and braking. Highlighting these updates is the addition of new carbon fiber aerodynamic winglets for both models, technology developed through extensive on- and off-track testing by Yamaha's factory MotoGP racing program. Additionally, the standard YZF-R1 receives a fully redesigned KYB fork and all-new Brembo front brakes, taking Yamaha's flagship R-Series Superbike to even higher levels of capability. A new rider and passenger seat cover texture balances both grip and ease of movement for a better sense of control and connection to the machine. Apart from these features, the rest of the bike will be largely the same as the 2024 model. Engine is still the 998cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder DOHC producing 197 horsepower at 13,500 rpm, and 113 Nm of torque at 11,500 rpm. It is mated with a 6-speed transmission with assist slipper clutch. Chassis is a slim compact aluminum delta box frame for optimal rigidity. Suspension consists of a 43mm KYB inverted fork, fully adjustable with 4.7 inches of travel, and a rear KYB single shock fully adjustable, also with 4.7 inches travel. Braking system is composed of a dual-channel ABS, front dual 320mm discs, and a rear 220mm disc. The new 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1 will be available in Team Yamaha Blue or Matte Raven Black, and will begin arriving to dealers in November for $18,999 MSRP. The Yamaha YZF-R1M meanwhile, is available in carbon fiber and is priced at $27,699 MSRP.